Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to setting up a React Vite project where we will create the components for sign up, login, and the header. After the components, we will create the service for authentication. So let's get started. So inside the SRC, I'm going to create a new package with the name pages. Inside this, we have a new folder with the name auth. With the auth, we have a second folder with the name header. Now inside the auth, let me create a new folder with the name sign up. Second, we have login. Now inside the header component, I'm going to create a new file with the name header.jsx. Same as I'm going to create a new file inside the login. So the file name that we have login.jsx. Inside the sign up, let me create a new file with the name signup.jsx. Inside these files, let me create a functions same as the file name. So first I'm going to create a function for header. It will be a const header, and we have to export the header function. So it will be a export default header. Inside this function, we have the return statement where we have a h1 tag. So the caption of the h1 that we have header works. Let me copy this implementation. Let me add inside the login.jsx file. So the function name that we have login, h1 tag caption that we have login works, and we have to export here login. After the login, let me set up this file that we have sign up. So the function name that we have sign up, h1 tag caption that we have sign up works, and we have to export here sign up. After creating the functions, I'm going to create a new folder inside the SRC with the name services. Inside the services, let me create a new folder with the name auth. Inside the auth, let me create a new file with the name jsx. With pages and the services, we have a new folder with the name utility. Inside this, we have a new file with the name common.jsx. After creating these, let me open here the terminal. Now I'm going to write the command to install the React router DOM. So the command that we have npm install react-router-DOM. Let's hit enter. As you can see, React router DOM installed successfully in our React.js application. Let me close the PowerShell. After installing the React router DOM, let me open here main.jsx file. Now I'm going to wrap the app tag with browser router. As you can see, the import of browser router. So inside this tag, let me add here the tag for app. After that, let me open here app.jsx. So inside this file, I'm going to register auth components as a routing. So let me remove this code. First, we have the header component. Let me import this. Now let's navigate to the browser. As you can see, the header component loaded successfully. After the header component, we have a tag for routes. Inside this, we have the tag for route, where we have a path /register that for sign up component. So let me add here the property that we have element, and we have to load here the component that we have sign up. Let me import this. After sign up, let me add here the path for login, and we have to load here the component that we have login. Now let's go back to the browser. Let me add here the path for sign up component that we have /register. As you can see, sign up component loaded successfully. After the register, let me add here the path for login. So as you can see, login component loaded successfully. So that's all for now from my side. If you have any confusion, you can do comment. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.